Okay guys, so we got my son a car, which it is my son's first car, so it doesn't have the highest technology. It doesn't have CarPlay, so we got him this and it is so awesome. I can't wait to share. It is a CarPlay screen that goes on your dash, which is so awesome. It's amazing. You just go ahead and connect either your Android or your iPhone up to it and you have your own personal CarPlay screen. It is awesome. It comes with all of the pieces you need to install. So this will just go up on your dash and this will connect to it. So it's really fun and awesome. It has a dash cam, so I absolutely love that. If anything were to happen, we would have the protection of that dash cam to see what really happened. So I love that feature about this, and it is very clear. It has your little cigarette lighter piece here that just connects to it. And then it also comes with a little memory card. I love that feature because a lot of things you have to buy the extra memory card and you forget. So it comes with that, which I love. It comes with your user manual. And then it also comes with the little camera. So really stinking cool. I'm gonna go ahead, get this all installed in his car. He's gonna be stoked about it and I will show you all the fun features.
American Self-Storage, Utah Storage Center may be closed by the time you arrive.
Okay, so here is the screen. It is a split screen. You have your front-facing camera and your rear-facing camera. And then you go to your main screen here and it'll take you to the actual CarPlay screen, which has all the awesome different options. You can look at your text messages, and then if you go here, it has the split screen. You can go to your music and you are able to click on the different songs and your playlist. And then here you can go back to your main list that has the split screen and it has all your other options. This is a super awesome CarPlay screen. I absolutely love it. The front and rear facing cameras work amazing and are super clear. I would definitely check this out for any vehicle that doesn't have the CarPlay options or the front facing or rear facing cameras. I love them for the safety of my kid. It is adjustable, so we have this in his windshield and we can adjust it to wherever he likes it, and if one of us are driving the car, we can adjust it to where we like it as well. It is so awesome and so user-friendly.